Oh, yan. Sige. No, there's a circle. The line, not there. If it doesn't have a line, you don't have to cut it. It's okay. Don't cut it. Don't cut it like that. It's okay. You don't have to, ate. Just cut the line. Cut the line.
Like this?
Yeah, that's for the ear. Because it doesn't have another ear. You're finished with the other one, but the other one's not finished yet. No, line. The line, ate. Cut the line first. It's okay. We have to remove it anyway. Oh, cut this line.
Where?
Cut the line. There.
Where? How?
Oh, you cut it. You use the scissors. Go, ate. Okay. Go.
Done.
Okay.
Color this.
Wow, oo nga, nice.
Hey!
Okay, careful. Good job, ate. Good job. Not inside the line, just outside the line. Just outside the line. Okay, go. Up, outside the line, not inside. Outside. It's okay. Oh, on the other side. Go. Just outside the line, okay? Hold the scissors properly. Is that how you hold the scissors properly? How do you hold the scissors? No, not like that. You were holding it last time. How do you hold it? Yeah, you hold it properly. Yeah, very good at it. Oh, you got this.
Teddy, so many.
Ate Stacy, go.
Gaya.
This one. Outside the line lang. Outside the line. Outside the line, Ate Trace the line.